Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into AWS IAM Authenticator, your new best friend for securing access. It's like a bouncer at the club, ensuring only the right people get in. IAM roles connect seamlessly with Kubernetes, making authentication a breeze. No more guesswork, just straightforward access management. And yes, it makes identity verification less of a headache. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. AWS IAM Authenticator is a magic bridge between IAM and Kubernetes. No more static passwords floating around. It ties IAM roles directly to Kubernetes identities, making access management simple yet secure. And with kubectl integration, you're always in control. Think of it as the security guard who recognizes you by your badge, not some easily lost password. Let's talk benefits. Better security. Check. Simpler authentication. Absolutely. No more worrying about misplaced credentials because static credentials are out. And the seamless AWS integration means everything works together effortlessly. It's like an elite membership card granting you exclusive, secure access. How does this wizardry work? IAM roles authenticate users instead of static credentials. AWS credentials verify who's legit. The Kubernetes API server then steps in like a strict librarian, ensuring that only authorized users get through. IAM policies tie it all together, enforcing rules to maintain control. Basically, it's like a sophisticated ID checking system that never fails. Let's start with getting AWS IAM Authenticator working with EKS. First, we define IAM roles to control access. Then, we configure the authenticator in our EKS cluster. Once it's set, we test authentication using kubectl. No surprises here, right? Finally, managing permissions effectively keeps things running smoothly. Imagine IAM is the bouncer at a VIP club, and we need to make sure only the right people get in. Security is key, literally. First, follow the least privilege principle, giving just enough access without overdoing it. Rotate access keys regularly because stale keys are like expired milk. Not good. Monitor authentication logs to spot anything fishy. And of course, enable multi-factor authentication. Think of it like locking your front door, then adding a security alarm. Extra protection always helps. Troubleshooting, everyone's favorite part, right? When things go wrong, check IAM role bindings first. Next, verify kubectl settings. Misconfigurations happen to the best of us. Reviewing log files can often pinpoint the issue. And don't forget IAM permissions. Sometimes the simplest things trip us up. Debugging feels a bit like detective work, so grab your magnifying glass and let's crack the case. Monitoring is like keeping an eye on your house when you're away. First, enable CloudTrail logging. It's your security camera. Then analyze access patterns, who's coming in and out. Set up alerts for anomalies because if something unusual happens, we need to know ASAP. Lastly, regularly audit access permissions to make sure everything stays locked down tight. No unwanted guests here. What's next for AWS IAM Authenticator? Better integration with AWS services is coming. Enhanced security policies, because we can never be too careful. Optimized performance means handling large-scale clusters more smoothly. And user-friendly management tools make life easier. The future is bright, and we're making sure authentication stays strong and hassle-free. To wrap things up, IAM Authenticator makes authentication in EKS straightforward. Following security best practices keeps unwanted access out. Monitoring keeps the system running smoothly, and future updates will make things even better. So whether you're a beginner or an expert, IAM authentication is in good hands. And hey, if all else fails, just blame the configuration. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.